Are you stuck in the cycle of working long hours, yet still not hitting your financial goals? You're not alone. And that's exactly why digital products are becoming the go-to income stream in 2025. Imagine making money while you sleep, with no inventory, no shipping, and no customer complaints. Whether you're a college student, busy parent, or someone exploring side hustles, selling digital products is one of the smartest and easiest ways to start earning online. This video will guide you through practical, beginner-friendly steps to get started today. Start with low-effort, high-reward digital products. Jumping into the digital product world doesn't have to be overwhelming. The best entry point for beginners is low-effort, high-reward products like templates, checklists, printable planners, and swipe files. These are easy to create even in just a few hours with tools like Canva or Google Docs, yet they have strong earning potential. Think about solving real problems people face. Maybe it's a daily habit tracker, a wedding checklist, or a weekly meal planner for busy moms. These small but powerful products meet a specific need, which makes them valuable. What's great is that they require little to no ongoing maintenance and can be sold again and again, turning them into passive income streams. Don't overthink the design. Clean, clear, and visually appealing layouts sell best. And remember, you don't need to start from scratch. You can use free or low-cost templates, customize them for your niche, and upload them to platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. It's about smart creation, not perfection. Turn your knowledge into profitable online courses. If you can explain something clearly, you can sell it. That's the golden rule when it comes to online courses. You don't need to be a professional educator, just someone with a skill people want to learn. Maybe it's beginner graphic design, managing social media, meal prepping, or even mastering a budgeting app. Platforms like Teachable, Gumroad, and Thinkific make it easy to structure, host, and sell your course without needing tech experience. Break your topic into small, digestible lessons that lead to a real result. For instance, a course titled Learn SEO Basics in 1 Hour is far more appealing than a vague, broad subject. Keep your videos short, straight to the point, and engaging. You don't even have to appear on camera. Slide presentations, voiceovers, and screen recordings work just as well. Most people will happily pay $20 to $200 for a course that solves a specific problem fast. Once it's uploaded, you're done. It's an asset that can generate income for years. Use AI tools to create digital products faster. You no longer need to be an expert designer, writer, or marketer to make professional quality digital products. Thanks to AI tools like ChatGPT, Canva's Magic Write, and Midjourney, creating and selling digital content has never been easier or faster. Imagine wanting to sell a self-care journal. You can use ChatGPT to generate prompts, design your pages in Canva, and export a polished PDF in under an hour. Need product descriptions or email templates? AI can write those too. Even visual content like digital art or book covers can be created with tools like DALL-E or Leonardo AI. These tools help you focus on strategy instead of getting stuck in the technical stuff. The trick is to create niche-specific content that solves real problems. Think of audiences like homeschool moms, small business owners, or fitness enthusiasts. AI won't replace your creativity, but it will supercharge your workflow and allow you to scale your business in ways that were impossible just a few years ago. Sell your products on the right platforms. The platform you choose to sell on plays a big role in your success. Some platforms are perfect for beginners, while others give you more control and higher profits. Etsy is a favorite starting point. It's easy to use, has built-in traffic, and people actively go there to buy digital products like planners and templates. The downside? Etsy takes a cut from your earnings. If you want more freedom and lower fees, consider platforms like Payhip, Podia, or Selfie. These let you create your own branded digital storefront and keep more of your profits. For online courses, Teachable and Thinkific are great options. And if you want full ownership with no middleman, building your own website using Hostinger or Wix is a solid long-term move. The key is to test and track. Start small, see what sells best on each platform, and then double down. The goal isn't to be everywhere. It's to find the platforms that align with your audience and maximize your profits. Create mockups that sell your product for you. First impressions matter, and when you're selling digital products, visuals are everything. That's where mockups come in. A mockup is a realistic image that shows how your product will look in real life, like a planner shown on an iPad or a checklist displayed on a phone. These visuals instantly communicate quality and professionalism. Tools like Canva, Smart Mockups, and Placeit make it super easy to create stunning mockups even if you have no design experience. A well-made mockup can literally double your sales by helping potential buyers visualize using your product. Don't settle for just one angle. Include multiple mockups from different views and use lifestyle imagery where possible. For example, show a person holding a tablet with your digital cookbook open, or a workspace setup featuring your productivity planner. These visuals build trust and grab attention, especially when your product shows up in crowded marketplaces like Etsy. Treat mockups as part of your marketing strategy. They're not optional, they're essential. Build a social media funnel to drive consistent traffic. You don't need a massive following to make sales. You need a smart system that brings in consistent traffic. That's where a social media funnel comes in. It starts with creating short, helpful content on platforms like TikTok, Instagram, Pinterest, or YouTube Shorts. Think 3 content ideas for busy entrepreneurs, or how to stay organized with a digital planner. These bite-sized videos grab attention and offer value. Link your product in your bio or pin it in the comments. Pinterest is especially powerful because your pins stay active for months, unlike Instagram posts that fade in a day. Use Canva to design beautiful pins and schedule them using Tailwind. As people click, offer them a free download in exchange for their email. This builds your list. With tools like MailerLite or ConvertKit, you can then send product offers, updates, and exclusive deals. This creates a loop where your content drives traffic, collects leads, and converts followers into repeat buyers. Stack your income with product bundles and upsells. Want to turn a single customer into multiple sales? Product bundles and upsells are your best friend. Instead of selling one printable for $5, bundle it with related items like planners, calendars, and guides, and sell the whole package for $25 or more. Customers feel like they're getting a great deal, and you increase your revenue with zero extra work. You've already made the products. You're just packaging them smarter. Platforms like ThriveCart, Kajabi, or even PayHip allow you to add upsells right after purchase. For instance, if someone buys your digital vision board kit, offer them a matching productivity course for a few dollars more. It's all about solving the next problem your customer will face. You can even build subscription models, delivering fresh digital goods monthly in niches like parenting, business, or wellness. This strategy not only boosts your earnings, it keeps customers engaged and coming back. That's how you scale your income fast. Selling digital products in 2025 isn't just a trend, it's a smart, scalable way to build lasting income online. With the help of AI tools, niche targeting, and the right platforms, you don't need a huge audience or tech skills to succeed. You just need a problem-solving product, solid presentation, and a consistent marketing system. Start simple, test often, and build your income step by step. If this video helped you see what's possible, give it a like, subscribe to our channel, and drop your questions or wins in the comments below. Thanks for watching.